Hello friends, today we will solve Geek for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is the dice problem. So now we open this question. So today's question is the dice problem. So you are given a cubic dice with 6 faces. All the individual faces have a number print on them. The numbers are in the range of 1 to 6 like any ordinary dice. You will be provided with a face of this cube. Your task is to guess the number on the upside face of the cube. So now we see first example. So the first example is n equals to 6. So upside face of 6 will be 1. So output is 1. So for dice facing number 6 offside face will be have the number 1. So now we see second example. So the second example is n equals to 2. So the output offside face of dice will be 5. So for dice facing numbers 5 offside face will be have the number 2. So you don't need to read input or print anything. Your task is to complete the function offside face of dice, which take an integer n as an input parameter and return the number on the offside face of the die. So here we use approach. Here we use conditional statement, which is if statement, if else statement. If so now we write the code for this problem. So now we write if n will be equal to 6, then we will simply return the value of side face of dice will be 1. Then we use again conditional statement, which is else if n would be 1, then we will return 6. Now we again use else if statement. Else if n would be 2, then we will return 5, which is offside face of dice 5. Now we again else if statement. Else if n would be 5, then we will return the value of 2. Now we will again write the conditional statement. Else if n equal to 3, then we will simply return 4. Otherwise we will return 3. So now we write else condition return 3. Now we compile and run this code. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now we check all test cases. So now we submit this code. the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.